honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, we're going to be doing a really super adorable Valentine's Day embellishment. I'm going to show you guys how to make these really simple, cute embellishments. You can use these as decorative embellishments to add to maybe like a Valentine's Day loaded envelope, or maybe you want to add it as a little tag. Just some really fun embellishments that literally takes no time. Okay, so let's get started. I'm super excited. This is the first video for the Valentine's Day series. Yes. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm going to obviously use some cupcake liners. You guys know me, I'm obsessed with cupcake liners. Love them. I use them on all my embellishments. I bought these last year. I don't recall where. I believe it was in the market, like one of those like ShopRite or like Stop and Shop. I'm not really sure, but I got these last year, and so I'm going to use these to create these embellishments. Okay, so here we go. Very simple. You need 2 cupcake liners for each embellishment because we're going to add one in the front and one in the back. I have here these 3 that I already made, and I'm going to make one with you so you can see what I do with my cupcake liners. And by the way, these are the mini ones. I fold them in half. I scrunch it in the middle. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch in the middle. I open it. And basically, and basically just make it and kind of like play around with it to get the size that you want, and voila. Okay, that's basically it. That's what we're gonna do. So you need 2. We're gonna make 2 embellishments. So I have here 4 cupcake liners. Okay, done. The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to use these heart picks. Now, I got these heart picks at the Dollar Tree. They are super adorable. They're plastic. They're beautiful. I absolutely am obsessed with these picks. I think I'm probably going to use them in a lot of our DIY projects because they're just so much fun to use. So they're heart picks, and they basically have a little heart at the end of the pick. What I like about it is it comes in red, it comes in blue, it comes in teal. I think it comes in other colors as well. So we're going to use these picks and add them to the embellishment. Okay, so here we go. Is this too dark? Let me see if I can make it a little bit lighter. Okay, so I'm going to basically add my pick in front of my cupcake liners, one of my cupcake liners, because we have 2, remember. I'm going to use the hot glue. I'm going to add a generous amount of hot glue in the center of the cupcake liner, and I'm going to add my pick right in the middle. Now, I have noticed, because this is a plastic, these picks are plastic, they will kind of like the shape of the pick will maybe change a little bit, so don't put too much pressure on the pick when you add the hot glue. Okay, so let's do the same thing with another one because we're doing 2. Okay, we're just adding the pick right in the center. That's all we're doing. Very good. Now we're going to get the second cupcake liner that we created, and we're going to add that right in front of the pick so we can kind of cover it up a little. This one you might need a little bit more of the hot glue because you want to make sure that your picks are well glued down to the cupcake liner. We're going to add this right in the center of your cupcake liner, and you should get something like that. You see that? With a little pick. Kind of looks like a little arrow going through. Okay, very good. And that's basically so far what we have going here. Okay, now we're going to go to the next step. Now that we have a little embellishment kind of already put together, we're going to add some beautiful sparkly hearts. These are the ones from the Dollar Tree. I got so many of these little hearts. I don't even know why I bought so many, but what I did was I just added them all in one little container so I can just work from this little container. And we're going to use 2 hearts. We're going to use a big red heart and a small pink heart. Okay, that's the colors that I want to use. Obviously, you can use whatever colors you want. We're going to add some hot glue to the back of the red big heart, and we're going to add it right in the center of our cupcake liner. Right in the center of your cupcake liner. And now we're going to add the smaller heart in the center of that one. This is taking so long. Okay, right in the center. And this is going to go right in the center. Super duper quick. Why is my hot glue gun is not working correctly? All right, let's add some hot glue. Maybe this one is about to. I don't know why it's not working that well. It should. Okay, let's see. A little bit of hot glue. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna, oops. I'm gonna add this right in the center. Make sure you get all these little string glues out of the way, okay? And you're gonna get something like this already. This is coming out so super cute. See that? Okay, perfect. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some pretty little roses right in the center of the pink heart. I have these that I you know, am literally obsessed over. So I'm going to add a pink little ribbon right in the center of this one, and for this one I'm going to add let's see, do I have a red one? I don't have a red one right here, so we're just gonna add a pink one. That's okay, we'll just add a pink one right there. Okay, a little bit of hot glue to the back of the bow, and we're gonna add it right in the center. That looks so adorable, super cute. Now, if you don't have these kind of bows or ribbons, you can make your own little bow with twine or maybe lace or maybe ribbon. You know, you could make your own little bow. And there we go. Perfect. The last thing that I did is I also bought these really sparkly, adorable little heart gems at the dollar store. They had pink ones, which is this one right here, and they had red ones. I picked up a few of these because I thought they were really super adorable. And what I wind up doing is I wind up using 2 of these little gems. I'm going to actually add a red one, and I'm going to add a pink one so you can see how gorgeous these look. And what I did was I added it right where the little heart pick is. I just added the gem right there. Now, how funny is it that it actually fits exactly to the size of this heart? I don't know, coincidence maybe, I guess, but it fits perfect right on the little heart. That's the pink one, and I'm going to put the red one. If you want to add some hot glue, I wouldn't add hot glue. I would maybe add like wet glue to the heart just to make sure that the gem doesn't move out of place. That is a very good idea. Okay? And that's basically all you're going to do for these adorable embellishments. How freaking adorable are these embellishments? And you saw how easy that was to create, right? Now, in this particular embellishment, I only used, instead of using the pink ribbon or bow, or I guess flower, I used this little rose one in red. That's the only difference between this one and this one, but they're all basically the same. Okay, my loves? I think these turned out super adorable. You can make a whole bunch of these, mail them out to your friends. You can add them to like a Happy Meal. That will be awesome to do. They're just super adorable and just super, super cute. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these. I hope that you guys are going to be enjoying the Valentine series. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to make more videos for you guys. I will be doing something for you pretty soon, probably in another day or two. All right, my loves, I'll see you soon. I'll make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you want to see more pictures of these awesome embellishments. And make sure you subscribe, you like, comment, and I'll see you soon. Love you all and have a fantastic weekend, my loves. Bye.